Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this low sleek pony. And yes, I did it with extensions. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to achieve this look, so keep watching. Y'all know I use my trusty Eco Style gel, some hair rubber bands or a ponytail holder, a hard brush, and a Denman brush. Well, either or works. My edge fleeker, a rat tail comb, some pins. You need a lot. And of course, your extensions. That could be pack hair or bundles. It's up to you. Make sure you have a flat iron too. And make sure you have your little black rubber bands. So what you want to do is take your comb and make a part. I'm going to make a side part. And this part is really important. You want that part to be so straight that it looks like you razored it in. Like you went to the barber and got it lined in there. And I take my time on this because I really want people to look at me like, is that a closure? People ask me that. They be like, who does your closures? Like, girl, that is not a closure. That is called precision. Next, I'm just gonna brush my hair out to make sure that there are no flyaways and everything is combable. Nothing is gonna get tangled. Next, you wanna prep your hair for the ponytail. So what I'm gonna do is take my gel and just put it on the areas that I know I'm going to be slicking down. And I'm not taking a lot of gel, just a little bit because my hair is natural and I don't want it to like wave up too much. I'm going to definitely put it right here so that there's no flyaways because this is a sleek ponytail. We want everything to be nice and sleek and laid. Next, I'm going to take out my little sideburns that I want to leave out. So I took those out and now I'm going to start laying down the ponytail. And just hold that hair behind you as you lay it down, as you brush it down. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. And if you need to add more gel later, you can. But this is basically the mold. You want to make sure you could get everything in the pony. Keep brushing. The sideburns are optional. I think they're cute. Ugh. Don't worry if they wave up because you can flat iron them. So now that the ponytail is secured, we securing that pony like we securing that bag. You want to kind of brush through it. Make sure every strand is in there. I'm gonna turn around. So what I'm gonna use to secure the ponytail are these hair rubber bands. Do not use regular industrial strength rubber bands on your hair. It will rip your hair out. If you feel more comfortable using this, then please do so. But for the sake of the sleekness, I'm gonna use this hair rubber band. So what you want to do is make sure the pony is really low, right on your neck, and just put that rubber band on. And I like my ponytails really tight, so I'm gonna do this until I can't do it anymore. Pull it through, and I like to tighten it a little bit. What I'm gonna do now is just run the flat iron over these bad boys. Make sure your flat iron is not super hot because you will burn these sideburns off and you don't want to do that. Don't hold it for too long. Just make sure that it straightens them out. And some people straighten them, some people curl them. For this look, since the pony is straight, I'm going to leave them straight. So next, I'm going to take my little edge fleeker and I'm just going to go over the edges and make sure that they are nice and laid. Now I'm gonna do a braid. I'm gonna braid this part. Next, you're gonna take whatever extensions you're gonna use. It could be pack hair, it could be a bundle. This is a bundle. Mine is from Livia Lux. This is Malaysian straight hair, and I believe it's about 1 bundle, which should be enough for me because my hair is pretty short. So I'm not gonna need too much hair to wrap around like a really long pony. So what you wanna do is put the 2 ends of the weft together. So this is the 2 ends, the 2 open ends. You want to put them together and make a double weft. And this is the end that you're gonna start with, the end that's closed. What you're gonna do with this end is you're gonna take your pin and put it through, and you're going to put the pin in between the rubber band. So now it's attached, hands free. Your hair is attached to your ponytail. And basically what you're gonna do is wrap this hair around until you get to the top. And I have some hair sticking out here, but that's fine. I'm just gonna hold it down as I wrap. Let me get this out the way. So I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail really tight, really tight. Make sure you secure it, and as I go around, I'm gonna pin it. So put 1 pin in and you secure that 1 part, and you're just gonna keep going around and pinning until you get to the top. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys could see. Make sure you're brushing as you go because this can get tangled. This process is a little bit tedious, but it's definitely worth it. We're almost to the top. Alright, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I do when I get to the top part of the ponytail. So I'm gonna keep wrapping with the last bit of track that I have, and I'm here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rest, I'm gonna part this, take the rest of the track, and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Wrap it around until the hair is what's covering the rubber band. It should blend seamlessly with your hair. Make sure you take a big enough chunk of hair from the track. And now I'm gonna take those same pins and pin it all around. Stick those pins right through that braid. Don't be scared. Stick them. Make sure they're comfortable because these will end up giving you a headache later if you don't stick them in right. And sometimes the ponytail could look a little crooked. Just squeeze it together and straighten it out. And there you have it. It's attached. I'm just going to run the flat iron through the hair so that it's nice and sleek.